Respected teachers and dear students, my name is Abdul Span. I'm from grade 1B. Today I'm gonna tell about farm animals. Farm animals are bred for many purposes. Chicken give us egg. Cows and goats provide us milk and meat. Sheep produce many kind of wool, fiber which are used in making cloth. From ducks we are making duck roast. Thank you.